Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about audio mixer. So, we will import two audios to see the difference. Now click on this icon here for audio mixer. Here you have video, audio 1 and audio 2. Here you can control your audios and raise the audio volume up and down as you want. This on the right corner is the main audio volume for both. Also those circles up are for the audio volume direction, like if you want to listen your audio more on right side or left side. Surround mode is when you want to listen one audio up and one audio down as you see. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.